Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, exercise 3.6, question number 6, right? If A equal to x divided by x plus 1, B equal to 1 by x plus 1, find A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square divided by A by B, right? Which is equal to 2 into x square plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 the whole square. You want to prove, right? Not find. You want to prove. You want to prove the result, right? Here, sorry, not find. Prove that, right? Prove that. First, you have to take your LHS, right? What it is given in the LHS. Here also, you are going to recall again the identity as a plus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square, right? A plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole. Now LHS, come to the LHS, right? A plus b, LHS you have to take a plus b, that you are going to simplify. A LHS, first you write LHS equal to a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square divided by a by b. That is a division symbol ma in your book, right? It looks like plus, but it is a division, right? Now here also you are recall the identity a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 2ab. Next, a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The identity, you have to write it in the right side. That habit you people should develop, right? You never ever forget, right? For that purpose. A plus b the whole square. See here what you are going to write. A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Am I right, children? Yeah, very good. You have to be attentive and listen, right? A by b. If you are attentive, you feel easy, right? Yeah, everyone listen. Don't see here and there, children, right? Plus 2ab minus 2ab. That you can cancel, right? Plus 2ab minus 2ab, you have to cancel it, which is equal to a by b. See here a square plus a square, that is your 2 times a square again plus a square plus b square 2 times b square. The addition you write it in terms of multiplication, right? 1 a square plus 1 a square means 2 a square, right? Now we are going to take 2 as common in the numerator. 2 as a common, which is equal to 2 into a square plus b square divided by a by b. Here you see your denominator is a fraction. If the denominator is a fraction, you can write it as a reciprocal. So how it will come under that, you see, which is equal to 2 into b divided by a into a square plus b square, right? You can put whole thing divided by, or you can write like this. That means 2b into a square plus b square divided by a. That is the meaning. For your understanding purpose, I will write one more step. Nothing is wrong. 2b, because it is a multiplication format, into a square plus b square, the whole thing divided by a. See, for example, 1 by 3 bracket into 5. Your answer is 5 by 3 only, right? Or you can write 1 into 5 divided by 3. Both it represents same meaning. So that what I wrote the previous and what I wrote at the next line, both it represents the same meaning in between multiplication, right? So that it won't be disturbed. Next, you want to find what is a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square? Now we'll pass on to how to find a square plus b square. A is given, b is also given. You have no issue. Using that only you are going to prove, right? You didn't do anything wonder here. A equal to what it is given. See, you have to read the question. A equal to x divided by x plus 1. A divided by a equal to x divided by x plus 1. B equal to 1 divided by b equal to 1 divided by x plus 1. Then your answer, right? LHS what you arrived? LHS equal to 2 times a square plus b square divided 2b divided by a square plus b square into a, that you are going to substitute, right? Which is equal to the LHS what it is given in the question that you took and we simplified. That simplified result only I wrote it here, 2b into a square plus b square divided by a. Now I am going to substitute the value. That's it. I will not do anything extra. 2 into, see, 2 into, what is your b? 1 divided by x plus 1. So, 2, the whole thing divided by 1, x divided by x plus 1, right? Now, what is your a? What is your a? X divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square, right? See, I use the double bracket here in the numerator, right? A square plus b square. Now we are going to simplify, right? We are going to simplify. See, in the numerator, you have a fraction that is 2 into 1 by x plus 1. That x plus 1 will come to the denominator, right? Or you can directly, you can cancel, right? I'm going to explain you how to be. Listen carefully, children. 2, the whole thing divided by x plus 1. In the numerator, you have 1 by x plus 1. That 1 by x plus 1, the denominator portion will come to the denominator. In the denominator, already what you have? X divided by x plus 1. So, this x plus 1 cancel. Now, we will pass on to the bracket. What it is you see? X plus 1, x plus 1, a square plus b square. In both we have the same denominator as x plus 1 the whole square. Here you are applying the law of exponent. See here, what is the law of exponent? Anyone? Yeah, very good. A by b, the whole square can be written as a square divided by b square. A square divided by b square. That law of exponent I am going to apply in the numerator. How it will act, you see? X square divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus the second part also the same, 1 divided by 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Now you see in the numerator In the numerator, the fraction part. In the numerator, the fraction part is having the same denominator. So directly you are going to add. That's it, right? 2 bracket x plus 1 the whole square. Here, x square plus 1. See, whether did you understand, children? Yeah. Whether did you understand what I wrote in the step? See here, I am moving the cursor and showing to you. You have to listen carefully, children. Here you see x square divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. In the numerator, the fraction is having the same denominator. So you write as such as the denominator. Numerator alone you are going to add, that you arrived as x square plus 1. The whole thing divided by what? Anyone. Yeah, very good. Only x is there left over in the denominator, right? Divided by x. Now, here also the same concept. 2 into x square plus 1. In the numerator, you are having a fraction. That denominator will come to the denominator part. The denominator, this one will come to the denominator. So, what is your result? You see x into x plus 1 the whole square. What they are expecting, that we proved, right? LHS equal to what? RHS. Finally, you should highlight your answer. What it is, what they are expecting. A square plus a plus b the whole square. Sorry. A plus b. You have to be attentive. Yeah. A plus b, child. You have to listen here, ma. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square, the whole thing divided by a by b, which is equal to 2 into x square plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, we proved, right? Hence, proved. What they are expecting, that we proved at the end. Again, I will explain, children. You have to listen carefully, right? You people are good children, right? Did you like the concept? Yeah, very good. You have to recall the identity. If you are thorough, you feel easy, you will get good marks. Right? See what they are expecting. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square divided by a by b equal to 2 into x square plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 the whole square. Now I took LHS. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square divided by a by b. I applied the identity, right? I didn't do anything extra. Now, a square plus b square plus 2ab, the first part. Second part, a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a by b. Then, you simplified. What you arrived, you see, 2 times, next step. What you arrive? See here, children. 2 times a square plus 2 times b square divided by a by b. Here your denominator is a fraction. So it will act as a reciprocal. That I wrote it as 2 times 2b divided by a into a square plus b square, or 2b into a square plus b square, the whole thing divided by a. Both are correct. I gave an example, right? 1 by 5 into 3, that is also 3 by 5, or 1 into 5, 1 into 3 divided by 5, that is also 3 by 5. So the previous and the next step, they are equal. Now we are applying the value of a and b, right? A 2b into your LHS, you arrived as 2b into a square plus b square divided by a. Then you are going to substitute the value of a and b. What is your a, you see? What is your A? A is x by x plus 1, B is 1 by x plus 1. That you substitute. That's it. 2 into B, 1 by x plus 1. Then I use the double bracket A, x by x plus 1 the whole square plus B, 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. Now you see in the numerator you have a fraction. That you should write, that fraction, the denominator will come to the denominator part that you learnt, right? 2 by 7, the whole thing divided by 4 means you can write 2 by 28, right? 2 by 28. That concept I applied here, right? X square divided by x plus 1 the whole square. If you want for your understanding purpose, I am going to shift this x plus alone in the denominator. That's why I write it in the next step, right? X plus 1 into x by x plus 1 cancellation. In the numerator, the denominators are same. In the numerator is also a fraction, the denominators are same. So if the denominator are same means that is a like denominator, directly you can add your numerator. So what you can arrive here, you see x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Again the same concept, what I did in the previous step, the same thing. The numerator is having a fraction, that x plus 1 the whole square will come to the denominator. So I put a arrow and showed you for your understanding, right? So 2 into x square plus 1 divided by x into x plus 1 the whole square. That only they are asking to prove, that we proved, right? You people should go through what I taught. You have to go home and go through the format. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I'll explain. First of all, you people don't hesitate to clarify your doubt, right? Don't hesitate to ask your doubt to the teacher, right? Whatever doubt, even if it is a simple doubt, also you should ask, approach the teacher, and then get clarified, right? Thank you, children. Tomorrow I will continue the next question, right? You should be feel free to the teacher, then only your doubt should be clarified. You will get interest in the subject. Again, I will slowly showing the things again. What are the identity we are using in the sum, that we have to write it in the right side. That means you people feel easy, right? Thank you, children.